Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tony Hill, making sense of credit and making sense of making money online. Welcome. If this is your first time with me, thanks for being here today. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment. And most of all, share this with your friends and family. For you guys who were with me last year, 2019, I told you I was going to be coming with a video on making money online on what was been working for me. And this is my first one. And I'm going to be talking about Fiverr today. So welcome. Wow, it snowed in Atlanta today. Pretty crazy. So anyway, look, the thing I love about Fiverr, Fiverr.com. You can go to Fiverr.com and check it out. Fiverr is a freelance site, and it's pretty cool. It's been around for a little bit. I don't know when it originated, but I've been on Fiverr off and on for a couple years. Really hadn't done a whole lot with it. Really been working hard on my other streams of income. So, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little insight. In the last 3-4 months for me, Fiverr really has taken off, and I really kind of put some time and effort into it, so it's really kind of paid off. Excuse me. Once again, Fiverr is a freelance site. You can pretty much sell anything digitally. You can pretty much buy anything digitally. And as you guys know, or don't know, I'm a personal small business credit coach, and so I sell my services on there. I think I have 4 gigs. What you do, they have these gigs you can set up, and I have 4 of them right now. And one, I do a phone call, 15, 30 minute, 45 minute, and then you can upgrade your gigs. Also, I do some consulting, of course, on credit. I have a business credit ebook on there that's selling really well. And then I have a couple of high-paying, well, I think I have one high-paying gig where, I can make as much as $600, and I actually sold one of those. And it's surprisingly, beginning of the year is kind of so quiet, but December and January really was my 2 best months. And but look, I just wanted to drop this video to you guys that, man, Fiverr is a great way to start your online career. Everybody's kind of an expert at something. I don't care what kind of business you're in or what you do for a job. I'm hoping if you've been at it for a little bit, you're pretty good at it. So you could turn that into something on Fiverr as like a digitally, make it susceptible for people to purchase what you're selling, consulting, that sort of thing. I mean, you could do logos, you could do audio, you could do singograms. I mean, you name it, you could do it on Fiverr. Go visit the site, check it out, check out all the things that they have available. Even with my ebook. I mean, look, I hired a lady from Sri Lanka to help me edit my ebook, which was pretty cool. And look, if somebody would have told me I could do an ebook a couple, 3 years ago, I would have said, get out of here. But I put the time and effort into it, and I made it a reality. But also with the help of someone from Fiverr. So, look, it worked for me, and I think it'll work for you if you put the time into it. You don't have to worry about advertising. People go to the site looking for you and me as experts. And look, the other thing too, if you don't have an expertise, you could take a course on Fiverr and learn how to learn an expertise and then sell it on Fiverr. One thing when I started with this whole making money online, every time I did something, it was like, you need Facebook ads, you need advertising, you need Google ads, you need autoresponder, you need a funnel, email list, you name it, you needed it. And one thing about Fiverr, you need none of those. No email list, no advertising, no autoresponder. It's a cool deal. And I think I got 25 reviews, and I have I just did my 43rd order, and I'm 7 orders from being at the second level. I'm already the one level. You know, when you're new, you started at the new level, but then you move up. I went to level 1. Now I got 7 more orders to be a level 2, and then I hope to get to the top level. And then all those different levels actually give you different things that you can do. You can have up to so many gigs, extra gigs. So really right now I'm working on my extra gigs. But look, I hope you guys check it out. I'm gonna put my email link in the description below. Click that link. Yes, I am an affiliate, so I make a little commission. Helps me do my videos and bring other stuff to you guys for free. Look, Fiverr is it, man. I'm telling you, and I think I'm gonna have a banner year, having one heck of a start. I'm gonna probably try to do a video to bring you guys some proof of my results. But until then, check out Fiverr, click the link, and until next time, man, Tony Hill signing off. I'm always trying to make sense of credit for you guys, and in 2020, I'm going to try to make sense of making money online for you guys. So until next time, peace, y'all.